Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal with phrasal verbs. You are going to learn two new words, perked up and dashed off. In this class, we are going to discuss the meaning of these words and how to use these words in your sentence. Let's get into the lesson. The first word is perked up. If someone perks you up or you perk someone up, the person becomes more energetic and happier. To become more lively or cheerful is called perked up. Look at the example sentence for perked up. They perked up when they heard the good news. They became energetic and cheerful when they heard the good news. Veena perked up considerably when her sister arrived. When her sister arrived, Veena became more happy and energetic. Perked up means to make something fresh and more appealing. For example, the painting really perked up the house. You painted the house, so the house becomes more appealing and fresh. That's what it meant. Next vocabulary, dashed off. Dashed off. Dashed off means to rush away, to do or write hastily. If you dash off to a place, you go there very quickly. Look at the example sentence for dashed off. Varun dashed off to lunch. If you dash off a piece of writing, you write or compose it very quickly without thinking about it very much. Example sentence, Ram dashed off a couple of children's stories. So, Ram wrote a couple of children's stories. So, Ram wrote a couple of children's stories. Hastily. Very quickly, he wrote it. Dashed off has two meanings. One is writing something very fast or quickly, or to rush to a place very quickly. So, in this class, you have learnt two new words. One perked up and the other one dashed off. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.